Okay, calculus students, just wanted to give you a quick update on our distance learning assignments for your Learn From Home days. Look in your Khan Academy account for assignments. I've assigned you guys quite a bit dealing with differential equations, slope fields, and such. Be sure to watch the videos before completing practice problems. I know it looks like a lot of assignments in there. Most of the assignments, probably 60%, 70% of the assignments are videos. Be sure to watch the videos, then complete the assignments, the appropriate quizzes, and the unit test in Khan Academy. I will update Khan Academy and assign more as time goes on, but the due dates are set in there. Please look at those due dates and adhere to those. Flipped calculus. Just click watch this video. It'll pull up a video for you to watch.
All right, here we go. Let's take a look at some,
you guys will get to hang out with Mr. Bean a little bit more. And then also, if you want to follow along in the video, you could click on this document and you can follow along on a tablet or phone, or you could print this out, or you could follow along on a separate sheet of paper. I've got 2 videos for you to watch, and I've got 2 documents linked there from our friends at Flipped Calculus. Also in AP Classroom, I want to make sure that you know I've released all the progress checks in AP Classroom. So if you go into AP Classroom, log in. Remember the web address is apclassroom.collegeboard.org, and then log in with your username and password. I have unlocked Unit 8 progress checks, 7, 6, 5 actually had already been unlocked for you, 4, 3, 2, and the rest of 1. I think we had worked on 1 earlier in the year. All these progress checks are unlocked for you. You could take those, gauge your understanding of the different topics. Obviously, we have not gotten to Unit 8 as of yet, but we have tackled quite a bit of Unit 7. And if you look in your Barron's book, which you have is another great resource, you can start looking at Unit 8 topics. I will go ahead and assign some Unit 8 topics probably within the next week and a half, 2 weeks, if we happen to be out of school longer than that. So right now what you've got in front of you is you've got Khan Academy. Please make sure to complete those assignments. Flipped Calculus, watch the video, work on some of the problems. That's for 2 videos, 2 documents there. And then AP Classroom. I've released all the progress checks for you to work on, for you to practice, to get you ready not only for your AP exam that'll be coming up in May, but also just to make sure that you understand and you have a grasp of calculus as you guys head off to college in the fall. If you have any questions, you have any comments or concerns, please reach out to me on Remind. If you're not signed up for Remind, click here. It'll show you how to sign up. You can also email me. You can also contact me through my website. Go into the contact page. I would love to help you guys out in any way that I can. And this is the contact page here. So if you need to send me an email through the contact page, feel free to do so. I'll be updating you guys and sending out some videos to help you out with the calculus work. And we'll chat later.